Hello and welcome everyone. Today's video I am going to show here about help you how you actually start to use auto layout on Figma. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about follow this video. It's gonna be actually one of things that it should be really absolutely understood it whenever you want to know. That is actually one of things that it should be really be helpful, and about to give you here everything that you want if it's really very good to help you on the way that you want through going on with using the auto layouts. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about to click and start to add a frame. So once you add a frame over here, you can actually use clicking on the auto layout and then start to click on the auto layout over here. Now as you can see, the use auto layout is actually to be on the right side on the behind, and this is gonna help you a lot whenever you want to have the ways that we can actually see, and you can actually disable it when you start to click on it again. And that's all about, guys, to help you through this video, and thank you guys for watching and good luck.